Hello everyone! Hello mga suke! Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nanood, nag-like, nag-share, nag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel at higit sa lahat sa mga bumili ng Zoila and Sofia merchandise sa Shopee and Lazada. Maraming salamat po. Today I'm going to discuss about Serene R2 shampoo and conditioner from JTomas Solutions. It's a local brand known for its high quality product. So if you have damaged hair, split ends, dry and over-processed hair, this product is for you, so stay tuned to know more about the products. Let's talk about the design and packaging. The packaging is very attractive and presentable. Fuchsia pink ang color ng bottle at white naman ang cap. Madaling ma-recognize ang product dahil sa color combination nito at maganda talaga ang packaging. In front of the bottle, nakasulat ang R2 shampoo, sulfate-free na applicable sa damaged hair, split ends, dry and over-processed hair. This product will help repair and restore your hair with 300 ml capacity. Uulitin ko po, meron po itong 300 ml na laman at sa ilalim naman po, meron po itong nakalagay na expiration date para malaman nyo kung hanggang kailan pwedeng gamitin ang product. Natuwa din ako sa conditioner. Dahil same design pero tip to bottom, fuchsia pink ang color ng packaging. Recognizable ang color and packaging kaya magandang marketing strategy ito sa JTomas Solutions. Lahat ng information readable. Wish ko lang na magkaroon ng seal sa bottle, both shampoo and conditioner to secure the bottle para ma-prevent ang pagli-leak and most importantly, to prevent possible tampering. Let's talk about texture and scent. Translucent white ang color ng shampoo, shea butter ang scent, soft and creamy ang texture. So maganda talaga ang shampoo. Pag-usapan naman natin ang conditioner. Ang conditioner ay milky white ang color, refreshing ang scent, tapos ang sarap gamitin kasi maganda talaga siya sa buhok. For those people na nagtatanong about ingredients, pakitingnan lang po ang lahat ng ingredients na nakalagay sa screen for your reference. Sa mga nagtatanong kung safe ang product, yes, it's FDA approved. I will show you how to properly use shampoo and conditioner. Tip number 1, before washing your hair, always put oil. This will act as a protective barrier between your hair and shampoo and it reduces stripping effect. I normally use coconut oil, pwede ring avocado oil for fine hair. So get generous amount of oil, put it in your hair, massage the strand, and then after a minute or 2, you can start washing your hair. Tip number 2, hot water is a no-no. Lukewarm is recommended. It will soften skin and the scalp. It also opens hair follicles, which is what we need to clean and remove dirt from your hair and scalp. Tip number 3, soak hair in water to open up follicles. Basain ang buhok ng mabuti. Every strand must be soaking wet at wag po nating madaliin. Tip number 4, do not remove excess water or do not dry hair before shampooing. Shampoo needs water to lather better. It is recommended to use sulfate-free shampoo which is gentle to your hair. Tip number 5, use small amount of shampoo which is enough to deep clean your scalp. Use fingertips to clean the scalp using side motion kagaya po nito. Tip number 6, avoid scrubbing scalp vigorously. Baka po masugatan ng scalp or maging weak ang follicles. Tip number 7, use scalp exfoliator for a nice deep scrubbing. It is recommended to let the shampoo stay for at least 3 minutes to totally remove sebum, dirt, or other buildups. Tip number 8, avoid quick water rinse. Siguraduhin na wash maigi ang buhok, huwag pong nagmamadali. Tip number 9, squeeze hair gently to remove excess water. Tip number 10, kumuha ng appropriate amount ng conditioner. Madami kung makapalang buhok, pero kung manipis, kaunti lamang. I-apply po ito sa buhok at i-massage gently. Tip number 11, cover hair with shower cap or clip your hair. 10 minutes pong ibabad ang buhok to properly condition your hair. Pero you can follow instructions written in the label if that is your preference. So habang nag-iintay, maglinis muna ng katawan. Pag nagbanlaw po, siguraduhin natin na malinis ang buhok. Pag malinis na po ang buhok, gently squeeze your hair. Tip number 12, in drying hair, do not use towel. Rough ang texture ng towel. The best way is to use microfiber or old t-shirt. I-press lang po ang buhok gently para ito ay mabilis na matuyo. Tip number 13, use leave-in lotion, spray, or serum while hair is wet. It will definitely seal the follicles. At saka po, mag-wash lang ng hair 3 times a week, hindi po daily. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nanood, nag-like, nag-share. See you in my next video.